During installation, make sure to follow local safety guidelines and direction per the engineer of record. Once Scourlok has been aligned, place 6 inches of fill material that has been approved by the engineer within the units. Check and adjust the units to ensure a proper alignment and a level placement. When joining the units together in a series, do not fill the end cell more than 6 inches before connecting units. To connect adjacent units, overlap the spirals and insert a joining pin to secure the corners to each other. Place the remaining fill in lifts, no more than 1 foot at a time. Simultaneously fill the interior of the cells and backfill behind the unit to balance the earth pressures. When normal water levels are present, face units should be filled with granular, free-draining material. Typical fill material consists of granular self-consolidating material. However, based on project design, on-site soils may also be used. Compact infill and backfill as specified by the engineer. If required, engineered earth anchors can be used with the Scourlok system to provide additional resistance to lateral movement. Anchor location should align with the intermediate dividing walls of the unit. Make a small slit in the non-woven and feed the anchor head through the Scourlok wall with a load-bearing plate remaining along the interior wall of the cell. Drive the anchor into the slope at the designated locations. Remove anchor drive rod and set anchor against the slope using a jack jaw. Do not set the anchor against the interior wall of the cell. Tighten the load-bearing plate against the interior wall and cut the excess cable. For more detail on driving anchors, please review the video Installing Engineered Earth Anchors for ArmorMax.